Whoa!
Baby Thomas.
Oh, mind your teeth.
Welcome to Arron Toys. Hi guys.
What are you going to be opening now?
Eggs.
Eggs? Okay. Close your eyes, close your eyes. Are you picking yes or no?
No.
Okay. Can you hear that? What's that noise? Oh, what color is this?
Green. Open it.
Whoa!
What?
Flew off.
It's
What's that one?
Ninjago Lemon.
Yay! Do you want to open it?
Yeah.
Can you manage to open it? No.
Help.
You need help.
Yeah.
What do you say, please, Daddy?
Please, Daddy.
Okay. What'd you get? What'd you get?
Look at the people.
You got which one?
This one. Number 9.
You got number 9. Okay.
Yeah.
Is she going to work in the office?
No, go do the
Let's have a
work.
look.
It's not.
Oh.
It's not. Let's go to the school.
Is she a teacher?
No.
She's got orange hair with chopstick in the hair. That's funny. That's funny.
Sticks.
What color is this?
Yellow.
Well done. You open it?
Another land bag.
Is it another blind bag? You sure?
Yeah.
Which one's this?
Thomas mini land bag.
Yeah. Try to open it. Try again, try again. Oh, mind your teeth. You want Daddy to help you?
Yeah.
Here you go. Which one have you got?
Baby Thomas.
You want Thomas?
Yeah.
Open it. And we've got...
What?
Who's this? Who's it? Oh, it's number 1. Starfishes.
Here's this one. Yay. Yay.
It is the aquatic one.
Okay, the next one. The next one
Okay.
is the blue one next.
Arron, close your eyes. Are you peeking? Are you peeking?
No.
You sure?
No.
Count.
1, 2.
Here we go. And what color is this one?
Blue.
Yay! Shake, shake, shake. Whoa, what's in that? What's in it?
Ball.
Is it a ball? Are you sure? Whoa!
It's the Christmas tree. It's the Santa egg.
Hmm?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, good job, Anne. That's 3 eggs. What color is the first one?
Yellow.
What color is the second one?
Green.
What color is the third one?
Blue.
Yay!
Okay, let's open it.
Yeah, let's open it.
I see a surprise in the toy.
Yeah, there is.
Santa. Ha!
Whoa!
Santa. Okay. I need my hammer.
You want to get your hammer? Got your hammer.
Yeah.
Whoa! Whoa! Go, 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 go! Whoa! Quick, hammer it again! Yeah, you got it! You want to bring the toy out? I think there's only one Kinder toy in there. You want to open up and see what toy you got? Are you gonna try and crack it open?
Yeah.
Are you strong enough to open it?
No.
Your daddy help you? Okay. Ready? Oh, what toy you got? What toy is it? What toy is it? What toy is it?
What?
Let's have a look. Let's have a look.
Birdie?
Oh, which one have you got? That one. Are
Bird.
you sure?
Yeah.
Let's have a look.
It's the star. The blue star. I think so.
Ah, it goes. Oh, you thread it through the hole
Wow.
and then you just hang it on a tree.
Bro, we need to tie it up. We need to tie it and tie it and tie it and tie it. What? It's a bird.
Yeah.
It's like a penguin. I like the eggs. One. Get one egg. I love the green egg.
Shake, shake, shake.
Nothing.
What about the blue egg? Shake, shake, shake.
Nothing.
What about the green egg? Shake, shake, shake.
Nothing.
Good, you've opened them up already and you got these free toys. What was the first one?
Is the train.
Yeah, first one's the train. Second one
The Santa egg.
is from the Santa egg. It's a pink, I think it's a pink owl. And the third one,
Yeah, Star Wars. Oh, no.
no, it's a Ninjago.
No, Ninjago.
Yeah, Lego Ninjago.
It's not all.
Yeah, his slipper fell off.
Snowman.
Yeah. What thumbs up?
Yeah.
Yay! Where's your thumb?
Whoa, big this.
Whoa, I fell down.